install the drill slided rotors. Crazy thing is, they only sent me 3 yesterday, and I thought they missed one, but I did some research and I looked up on UPS, and the last one is coming today. I don't know why they sent it all separate, but it's cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these 3 on. So I'm gonna get back with y'all once I start. This is what they look like. These the front. And when I get to the rear, I'll take them out and show y'all. But yeah, these things is big. They massive and they weigh. This how it is compared to the tire. Yeah, they massive. They heavy too. I got the Daytona, so I'm quite sure these are a little bigger than the V6s. And it might be the same size as the regular RTs, but I think these like a 13.86 or something like that. But yeah, these the big rotors. And by the way, I'm not showing everything. I'm gonna leave a lot out because I'm trying to hurry up and get this done. Gotta do all 4. So this video gonna be everywhere. And while I'm at it, I might as well repaint these. I'm not gonna show me taking out the caliper. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna be putting on the rotor. Or the rotor might already be on. These look way better. These probably been on here since the car was made, I'm quite sure. Ooh, silver with the rose gold. Oh my God, that's gonna look so nice. Look at the difference. The regular rotor. These, God almighty. Oh yeah, that look good. And to be honest, I'm gonna probably cut the camera back on when I'm done with the 3 and just show you when I'm done, cause I'm ready to get done. I'm trying to beat this sun. But yeah, that look good. I know I said I was gonna show y'all when I get done, but I'll show y'all comparison to the back. That's the back. Yes, sir. I don't know, they look a little bigger too, but I'm guessing because maybe they not wore out, but they fit good though. Okay, finally done. Yeah, they look real nice. All right, that's the end of this video. And I bought some projector headlights coming. It's gonna be here Tuesday. I'll make a video with that, so stay tuned.